Have you edited photos or videos in Samsung Gallery and then kept the option to revert them back to their original version? Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra can help you clean up those old backup versions when you no longer need them. But there's an important thing you need to know before deleting them. Let me show you how. First, open Setting. Scroll down and tap Device Care. Then tap Storage. Scroll down the screen. Under the Suggestion section, you might see a suggestion to delete backup version of picture. If you don't see it, tap View More to see more suggestions. Then tap Select Files. Here you will see pictures and videos that have backup version from before they were edited. You can select individual pictures or video that you no longer need. Or you can tap the radio button at the top to select all of them. Once you have made your selection, tap Delete at the bottom. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Delete again to confirm. The backup version will be permanently deleted from the gallery app. And here's the important part. After you delete the backup version, you won't be able to revert that photo or video back to its original version anymore. So only delete those backup when you are sure you don't need the original version anymore. And that's how to clean up old editing backup version in Samsung Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.